Hey guys, I am going to be starting with the eyes, and I'm just going to be creating two eyeshadow looks for you guys. And I am priming my eyes using Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer, and of course we're going to take the Nouveau palette, and I am going to start with the shade Flirt, and I'm going to just use that all over my crease from the inside to the outside of the crease and also on the lower lashes. And then I am going to take Metro with a smaller brush, and I'm doing the exact same thing but just a little bit lower on our crease, not too high up. And then I'm going to use shade Muse, which is the darkest shade in the palette. It does have a little bit of glitter on it, as you can see on the eyes, but I definitely love this shade to work it in the outer corner. And I'm going to take a clean blending brush, something that is a little bit more taper, and I'm going to start blending the edges, and I'm going to start bringing it in and just forming that definition on our crease, as you can see here. And I'm also going to be blending the outer corner as well as the lower lash. Just a third of the way, I'm not gonna go all the way in. And taking the shade Peacock all over the lid, I'm going to just pack it on all over the lid and meeting with the shade Muse. Using the shade Isles and really packing it in and blending it in with Peacock and just taking Isles a little bit high up. And then I'm taking the same brush that I use to apply my primer and just cleaning the edges. Now I am going to be adding Peacock all the way on the lower lashes, on the inner lashes, and just to have everything nice and connected. And again, just using a little bit more Isle on the inner corner. Again, I'm going to tie line using my Persona Cosmetics black liner, and this one is Torch from Urban Decay. I'm just going to curl my lashes and using the Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara. And here is the first look. I like it. All right, now on to the second look, and I'm using the shade Liberty to create my shape, and I am just winging it out, and then I'm going to start creating and defining my crease a little bit, and just to make sure that it's really nice and defined. Don't worry about, being too neat or anything like that, because we are going to clean it up. And I'm taking a fluffier brush just to blend the edges of the shade on the crease, just to make sure that it's not too harsh, that it's really nice and blended, but not blown out, but blended. Now using the same brush that I applied my primer with whatever is on the brush, I'm going to start cleaning it up and shaping it to exactly what I want, and just cleaning the edges, just perfecting the look. I know this looks really complicated, but I promise you it's not. Using the Laura Los Angeles L17 brush, I am going to take the shade Wings, which is absolutely beautiful. I'm just going to take it a third of the way. I'm going to leave the center bare, and now using the other side of the brush, I am taking the shade Hope, and I am going to create like a winged out kind of look, but I am going to leave a little space on the very top, so just creating like that negative space. And you're going to see it in a little bit how I'm just really just shaping it up. Don't worry about being so neat, because we are going to go with a smaller brush, which is a rougher brush in the shade Paloma, and really making that definition of that negative space, which I thought that it was pretty cool. Now in the center of my lid, I am using the shade Lily, which is absolutely beautiful. All right, now going back and forth with Wings and Hope, I'm just going to make sure that everything is nice and blended. By the way, I am using a different camera. Let me know if you guys see the difference. The colors are definitely showing up like I see them in person, which I really truly appreciate. I am using a super tiny brush and the shade Liberty to create a wing liner and just to define it back again, because we did lose some of the shade from earlier today. I'm going to take it all the way out. I am going to link everything that I'm using down below in the description area, just in case you guys are interested. But let me know if you guys want to see more looks like this really close up. I'm going to try to fix my camera just because I'm not like center. I think that I am really low. I am also going to just really define my lower lashes, really tiny, but not too much. And this is the final look. Let me know which look did you like best, the first one, the second one. Let me know in the comment section. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.